Hi everyone, welcome to Testers Coders tutorial series. In this course, you will learn about the automation testing and the framework development. I'll give you a brief introduction on these topics first. Basically, testing is comparing actual outcome with the predicted outcome. And manual testing is where you compare the actual outcome with the predicted outcome all by yourself. But in automation testing, a software will help you to compare the actual and the predicted outcome without actually performing the steps manually. This means that with the help of the coding tools and libraries, you will be able to provide certain instructions to your website. Now that we know what is automation testing, let us know what is a framework. Framework means you will be able to add a repetitive set of tasks to a certain section of your project. Now, this certain section of your project could be used in most of your automation projects. Every new technology will have its pros and cons. So let us look at the pros of automation testing. Pros are reduces the time taken to test and perform the repeated task. If you have a repeated set of tasks and you have already automated that, then you will be able to direct your focus to a certain other important task. Now, when you're performing a test manually, it basically helps you to reduce the human errors while testing. You need a support of the programming language while you're also performing automation. A non-website based testing means that you can do the API testing of this particular website, where considering your scenario that the website is not yet ready, but the data is ready and you can validate that data. Now that we are done with the pros, we can now take a look at the cons. Since in this video series, main focus is on automation testing using Selenium. And Selenium requires the programming language knowledge. Hence, knowledge of a programming language is a must. Although open source tools like Selenium is available, assistance for the problem solving is not directly provided by the free tools creators. There is a community, but in that community, you may find the answers are given by many other people. It's not just limited to the creators who are the experts of that particular tool which you are using, and they are giving you the assistance that you need. If you're seeking such proper assistance, then a paid tool is required. Software tools and libraries are required in order to create tests. Now these are the pros and cons of the automation testing. Let us quickly get an overview of the software tools and libraries I am going to show for the framework and the automation project creation. Selenium is an open source free tool which will help us to create codes for the interaction with the website. Secondly, Cucumber is a tool where we will be able to distinguish one scenario to the other within your scripts. Maven will provide a folder structure wherein you can keep your test code scripts and resources such as the Excel sheets separate. TestNG will help you with the priority setting of your code. Rest Assured is used for API testing. As I've already explained, you can validate the data easily without a UI in API testing. Lastly, we need the support of the programming language. Selenium supports programming language like Java, Python, and it even supports the languages like Ruby and Perl. This is the end of the session. Hope it was understandable to you. I will be explaining all of this in the further videos thoroughly. So stay tuned. Thank you.